How to install Facebook on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate to Play Store once you unlock your Android device. Make sure you are on the home page of Play Store. Tap search icon at bottom right. Now tap search bar and type in Facebook. Tap on the search icon at bottom right on your keyboard. Now look for the official Facebook app by Meta. Verify it by checking the logo and developer name. Now tap Install button and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app and you can sign in with your Facebook account or create a new one. And with that, you will be all set. Now you can start using Facebook on your Android device. If the app is not available in your region or there is an issues, let me know and I'll help. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.